If you're a freelancer, developer, or agency building Shopify storefronts, Flexi Sections is made for you. They work with any 2.0 theme, they're ultra lightweight, and have almost no impact on page speed. Plus, all sections are built in a nice, beautiful, modular fashion. Now, to install a section using Flexi, all you'll have to do is select whatever theme you want to install the section on. For me, I will be using this backup theme, and then click Add Section. So I'll install this card slider. So I'll hit Add Section here. And then once you navigate over into the theme customizer, on any page you can go over and then find the card slider here. And then you'll notice that a few default options are loaded in. Once the card slider is added in, or whatever section you want to install, you'll just have to go over to App Embeds and toggle the Flexi app embed on. Here you'll be able to define global styles, so within the primary button, secondary button, and different font sizes for headers and colors for a link. Additionally, what you'll be able to do once you define these is the more sections you add, it gets easier and easier to build. Now, in this tutorial, I won't dive into how to adjust or edit this section. We'll have more YouTube videos on how to adjust Flexi sections and make the most out of Flexi.